Hey guys, I wanted to come and show you how I got my twist in, and I got this idea from another YouTuber. Her name is Keke J, and I will link her video in the description box so you can go check out her video because it was a lot more detailed than mine will be. But basically I started off with my hair already in mini twist, and I wore my mini twist for maybe 2-3 weeks, and then I decided to go ahead and put in the fake hair. So I'm using the aloe vera oil water, then some olive oil, and then the Chebe butter. The hair that I got, I'll also link in the description box. It was a total of $30, and it comes with the clips, the crochet hook, and also some hair jewelry. So I'm going in, spraying my hair with the aloe vera juice, and you can get that from Walmart in the vitamin section. And then I'll be adding in some olive oil. You can get that in the Walmart too, or any grocery store that sells oils, and I get it from the cooking section. And the reason I started using the olive oil is because my cosmetologist said that that was the best oil for my hair. So that's what I am incorporating. Then, of course, I'm going to be using the Chebe butter from Naturefinity. I love this butter, you guys. It keeps my hair just as moisturized as the traditional powder does. It also smells really, really good, and it's not messy at all. So I'll also link the butter in the description box. If you've been looking to try Chebe, but you're like, oh my gosh, it's too messy, or I don't like the grittiness or the fact that it shows up in my hair, the butter is the way to go. You don't have any fallout, no mess, no nothing. It's perfect. Then I'm going to show you basically I put it in my hair in the same order that I do the traditional powder pretty much. So I do the water, the oil, the butter, and then I'm going to twist this section up. I'm going to do my whole head the same way. And it's also great and easy to put it in when my hair is already in mini twists. I don't have to worry about detangling or any of that stuff. So I'm just going to section my hair off before I start putting the fake hair in. So I've gotten half of my head done, or I guess 3/4 of my head done. I have this one last section, and this was actually really quick and easy to put in my hair. I think it took me a total of maybe 2.5, 3 hours to get this entire style. So it's really quick and easy to put in, and it lasts a long time. I've had it in for a month now, and I'm still rocking it actually. I probably will eventually take it out, but right now it's easy peasy, so I'm sticking with it. So when you use a crochet hook and pull it through under your hair, my twists, they start out as braids, and then after I braid down like 3 or 4 times, then I twist it as normal, and then I bring the fake hair and my hair through the crochet loop that I created, and then I just twist as normal. There's no like pre-twisting or twisting while you twist. It's just a normal 2-strand twist that you're gonna do once you get it looped in. I had been wanting to do a lot of the styles that I was used to, like box braids and twists and things like that. And I was like, how am I going to do this with Chebe? And then I was like, oh, this is a great method, especially with the butter. So yeah, I'm just going to twist down like normal. Again, nothing special. And they are so lightweight. You know how when you first normally get braids or twists done, they're kind of really tight and heavy and you have to adjust. These are so light, like it feels just like my hair did with just my mini twist in. There's no tension, there's nothing. Like this method is just great. And this is how it turned out. It turned out really, really good. I really liked it. Um, Still loving it actually. So yeah, I'll leave the link in the description to all the things I use, as well as the inspiration for me to actually try this style and this method. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And also to let you guys know, it came with 7 packs of hair. I only used 3.5, and I have 3.5 packs left, so I can do this style again if I wanted to. I think if I do it again, I'll use 3 pieces per twist. What I did with this style was 2 pieces per twist, but I think I would want them a little chunkier. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys later.